Morning, guys. Guys, I'm selling gold right here. And I'm going to sell. Today's Friday, guys. Welcome to the stream. A little profit. Let me get set up here. Make sure we're live first. Happy Friday, guys. Happy Friday, my friends. Where is it? There it is. Okay, so we're going to sell on gold. We're going to sell on gold. Everything seems to be working. Guys, I was on the call last night, man, for Sosana. Bro, I gotta make a video and show you guys what's been going on, man, with the results of these elections, man. Everyone's making money, man. See? Hey, Kick, shout out to Kick, all my Kick guys. Thanks for stopping by, Kickers. Go back here. Oops. All right, let's see what happens here. All right, we came to this fair value gap. Let me check US 30. Today's Friday, guys, so I try to get a quick win. We'll see if it works out for us. Same thing with US 30. They pretty much all look the same today. That's two. All right, let's see what happens. Let's go, baby. I'm gonna make a video about Sasana, man. What's been going on with the results? The tokens that have won these elections. We've only had 2 elections. The first was a token called Bag, and it's going up like 500% since the election. And last week was a token called Army, and I still own Army, man. That's going up. And this token that came in second is even going up a lot. So it's been crazy. Everybody's just making cash over here, man. I suggest you get in. Get in my Facebook group. There's nobody in there yet, guys. I didn't even really, promote it. I just mentioned it here. That's it. But get in there. We're going to talk strategy. I like that. We're leaving wicks up there. You see that? Let's see what happens. Tea is too hot. I guess we're going up. I jumped the gun on gold, huh? Let's see what happens here. We're in this fair value gap. If we violate it, then I'll start to worry. Well, it could just come here. I take that back, guys. It could be coming here for a sweep of the pre-market high. If it comes here, I'll take another sell. Let me put that there so you guys see what I'm talking about. This is how we do it, guys. That's a little too high. Bring it down. Right there. Okay. Alert. Put the box. And that will go right to here. That's it. That's the move, guys. If it keeps going up, that's the move. It's still early. It's only 9:04. Had a rough day yesterday, man. I drove like 7 hours. I sold the house though yesterday. I did the closing. Closing is so easy, man, in the group I'm in. I mean, it's just done with a notary. Everything just gets notarized. You don't even it's 10 minutes. 10 minutes I was getting the deposit sent to me by Cash App. It's totally awesome, guys. Totally awesome. Everything's looking up, man. Sasan is going to be big, guys. I'm telling you. Everyone's happy with Sasana, man. We're all making cash. It's coming back down, guys. Coming back to our entry. We do have to get through that fair value gap there. See that little bullish fair value gap? Could reject off it like it just did. Let's see. We should push through it. I believe this is just a change here. That's why I entered. You see how we came down lower here, and we came back to the fair value gap. There was another one here. That's why I entered here. It's just price action. Doesn't mean I'm right, but just playing the odds. You're playing against the house, so the house is always right, right? What's up, hot girl? Welcome aboard. Can't hear me? Can you hear me better? Listen to this, hot girl. Like and subscribe. I hope you heard that. All right, we're back to our entry. Pushing down, guys. I'm a caveman when it comes to running the stream and stuff, but when it comes to trading, you're in the right spot, my friends. Let me check how my kick people are doing. I want to say SHIT kickers, but I don't want to say it. I didn't say it, guys. All right, we're in profit. Good, we'll make it quick today since it's Friday. That's 65 pips right there. It's a good place to take half. I'm gonna put it on here. Actually, I'm gonna take like a little more than half over here. I'm gonna put it here, and I'm gonna take more than half. Make it purple so you know what it is. Violet, whatever that is. It's just going back for a retest on that fair value gap, I hope. Let's go, baby. Guys, I've been trading on the daily and the 4 hour. I'm working on that strategy. It's going good. It's not good for the stream, though, man. My God, you don't want paint dry. But it's good. You can just take a trade, set your stop loss, set your TP, and just go about your business. That's what I like about it. Trading on the 1 minute, you really have to manage it a little more, you know? It's very volatile when you're looking at it on the 1 minute, you know? You're just trying to grab a quick win for the day. It can be hectic. So it's just a different strategy. It's basically the same strategy, but just on a higher time frame, you know? I'm perfecting it. I'm going to be coming out with things about that soon. I might manage an account. We'll see. I'm a little hesitant to do that, man. I'll definitely have a signals group if anybody wants to join. It'll be free, the signals group. You just have to trade. You just have to trade under me and the broker. And I'm thinking about doing a PAM account. The only thing about that, man, it's stressful, man. I don't know. People complain. You go in, they lose $10, man. They're ready to have a fit. I don't want to deal with a bunch of crybabies. To tell you the truth, man. I'll be honest. If you can't afford to, if you're afraid of drawdown, man, you shouldn't be doing forex. I'm not saying that, for any reason other than it's the truth, man. Let me see what we got. All right, guys. Just went to check out Hot Girl Dance '01. Give her a subscribe. She is a hot girl dancing. Shout out to you there, hot girl. All right, let's see if we can drop here again. All right, guys, 15 minutes to New York Open. And we'll see what happens here. We're kind of in limbo here, kind of stagnating halfway. We haven't gone up and swept out liquidity from the pre-market high. We haven't pushed down. So we're just going to wait. We're just going to wait. We're going to wait. I'm going to move this down. I'm going to put it right here. See what happens. Now, it's Friday, guys. I don't really prefer to trade on Fridays because the market's, after the New York Open, there's volume in the morning, but there's no volume in the afternoon. I guess those New York guys, they go to lunch, have a few martinis, they don't go back to work. I know how they are. I'm from there. I know them guys. So you could get stuck in a trade, that just doesn't move in the afternoon. So I'm not crazy about that. That's all. I don't mind holding a trade and stuff, but you know what I mean. I prefer to be in and out on Friday, quick. Won't trade at all. Okay, well, I like so far we haven't gone above here. That's good. Come on, baby, let's go. You're gonna pay us. Get it over with. Pay us now so we can go fishing. Guys, please like and subscribe, man. Check out Sosan. I was on the call last night, man. We made a fortune over there, making money over there, man. I'm not financial advice, but guys, big things are gonna happen there, man. I'm in good projects, man, in crypto. All right. I own a ton of H bar. I own a bunch of coins, man. I never promote none of them, man. But this Sosana thing, man, I believe it's gonna be huge, man. And it's still at the ground floor, man. Still at the ground floor, man. Click the link in the description or scan that QR code, but get involved, man. Sign up and send me an email, or I'll send you an email, and I'll get you set up in the right groups and stuff. You can get all the information. We bought a coin yesterday that got nominated for the next election. Right, the first coin that we bought, well, I guess they only had two elections before. The first election, the coin we bought is up 500% now, and the one last week is up big. It's up big. And we're getting ready for the third election, man. It's really going good. Yeah, man, it's rocking. Can you guys hear me right now? Can you guys hear me right now? Hello, hello, hello. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Back in the New York groove. All right, looks like we're headed for the pre-market high, man. That's good. We're gonna rock it. Let's see if we can get this pre-market high. We'll sweep that. I'm entering a. If it comes up here, guys, rings this bell. I'm taking a sell. All right, I got an alarm set here. You can see it. Once that alarm goes off, I'm taking a sell. See what else do we have up here? Anything? No. All right, guys, we're getting to the part. We're going to start seeing some volume, hopefully. Now we got 5 minutes to New York Open. So we're ready to rock and roll here. We got our plan in place. We got a lot of pips this week, considering I think we only traded 2 days. Right? Yesterday I wasn't on. I forget if I traded Monday or not. I don't know. I know we had a big day Tuesday. What's today? Friday. Tuesday and Wednesday we had big days. Tuesday we had almost 300 pips. Wednesday we had 100 pips. We had almost 300 on Tuesday. I think Monday I took the day off. I had to do something. So let's see. Today we just got to finish the week strong. We're good, man. And we're still kind of just hanging there in the middle. No direction. Let's see what happens, guys. Couple of minutes to New York Open. That's going to be the deciding factor here. Hopefully we'll get a nice push. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, please. I appreciate it. I can't wait till this channel blows up, man. People are starting to recognize the skills. You know what I'm saying? It's been a slow haul, man, but I'm no tech whiz, I'm like a caveman. Well, people are starting to recognize real, man. I notice my kickers are recognizing it. All right, let's go gold. If you'll notice, we came all the way up and closed this fair value gap. See that? We should reject off this one now and drop. There we go. Getting a little volume now. All right, let's see what happens here, guys. Our goal here today is just to get a quick win. Same every day, but we want to get a nice little profit and then secure the trade with a stop loss in profit. I don't like this, man. That's an entry signal. See that? The dozy and then the bullish engulfing. That's not a good sign, guys. Be honest with you. All right, this is the open. I don't see no volume, man. Very disappointing so far. Let me see what US 30 is doing. US 30 shot up. Nah, same. Now it's pulling back. Let's see what gold does. I'm surprised gold didn't sweep that high yet. I'm expecting gold to come up here and grab this liquidity and then drop. Let me see if I can find that alarm and shut it. There's really not much volume today, man. All right, here's a nice push down. Let's see how far it goes. All right, we're in profit. Come on, reject off there. Reject. Reject. Trying to hypnotize it. Two big candles, man. Two big candles going opposite directions. Crazy, right? Come on, baby. Let's go. Make up your mind. All right, looks like we're pushing down, guys. So let's see what happens. I'm looking to get out of this now. It's Friday. Just want to get some profit. Hopefully we could push down to this zone. I will take more than half here. I'll probably take 75% right here on this line. If we make it there. That's like 60 something pips. So it'll be like 40. Let me see what it is. Oh, it's showing 95 pips. Is that right? Let me do it again. Let me make it bigger. Oh, yeah, it is more because I moved it down. I had it over here before. All right, we're right at our entry, guys. Yeah, so that's 90 pips. So I'm going to take 2/3. That'll be 60 pips in the bank. And then I'll put a stop loss up here somewhere in profit. That's the plan, guys. Okay, right at our entry again. All right, here we come, guys. Here we come. Come on. Let's go. Move this over a little. Whoops. You can see where we're at. We're in profit. We got to push through this demand zone. Little rejection there. Let's go, baby. Damn, come on, gold. Let's go, man. Oh, damn it. My allergies are killing me today, man. Ugh. Florida's beautiful, man, but for some reason my allergies are bad down here. Only in the mornings, man. It's crazy. Or mostly in the morning, I should say. Sometimes it's in the evening too, but mostly in the morning. All right, let's push through this demand zone and let's get to our TP1. Let's go, baby. Guys, take profit wherever you want. It's up to you guys. I'm shooting for that purple line. I'm going to take, that's about 90 pips. I'm going to take 2/3. That'll be 60 pips. It's a little more than 90 pips. So if I take 2/3, that'll be 60 pips, easy. I'll put that in the bank, and then I'm going to set a stop loss and a TP. Okay, you guys know how we do this. Let me see where I would end it. I like it right here. Right on the top of this fair value gap, right before this mess here. That's the perfect spot as far as I'm concerned. Well, let's see. We got to get to our TP1 first. All right, guys, I am not going to let this go negative again. Just so you know. If this comes up here and looks like it's going to go negative, I'm going to close it with a couple of pips and have a good weekend. Seeing as it's a Friday, I'm not going to hold it. Normally, I wouldn't mind because I know it's just heading up here to grab this liquidity. All right, guys, I'm going to close. Oh, I didn't close yet. I'm thinking about closing, guys. Should I hold it or should I close? I'm going to hold it, man. The heck with it. I'll stay on here. Let's see what happens. I still think it's going to drop, man. Even if it goes up, guys, I think it's just going to come here, take this liquidity right here, and then drop. All right, well, I didn't close, so I'm still in. We could be coming for a retest on this little fair value gap here. We could be going back up. Let's see what happens. We did break structure here. So let's see. So we're looking at a reversal structure here. So it could be dropping now. But either way, we're back in the negative. We're at that fair value gap. Let's see if it rejects off there. Looks like it wants to push through. It's going to close above. It's coming back up for that liquidity, guys. I would think. I would think so anyway. Gee, it's different, man. Morning. That's good stuff. What is this crap I'm seeing here? All right, we're back in profit, guys. Let's see what we got. See if we can push down this time. See what US 30's doing. Wow, US 30's dropping, man. NAS, I guess, is 2. No, NAS is going up. It's kind of ranging, though. It's not really going up. But it's not dropping like US 30. All right, so we're right at our entry. A little bit of profit. See if we can push down this time. Back in profit again, guys. Let's push down this time. Come on. Damn, we're just like stagnating over there, man. I'm going to get out of this trade, guys. I don't like to hold it too much on Friday. I still think it's going to drop, but I'm losing confidence in it the more I have to hold it, especially on a Friday. I don't want to get stuck. It could just come up here and just die, you know? Let's see if we can get one more push down. Come on, let's at least get on our field. We want to play on our field, man. Come on, here we come. Let's go. It's crazy. Guys, like and subscribe, please. Let's rock. Damn, man, we're just hanging, man. Crazy. Come on, man. Let's go, Gold. Make up your mind. Let me turn off this music, man. I hate it. Shh. If it would change a little bit, it's just the same thing over and over, that music. I don't know why they put that here if it's just going to be the same. It's really boring. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, we need a nice push down here, man. Hope we get it. Let's see how many pips this is. That's 75 pips right there, guys. So if I take 2/3 right there, it'll be 50 pips in the bank. That's an option. I might do that in the interest of speed and the interest of Friday. 50 pips is good, man. Don't let no one tell you otherwise, man. If you get 50 pips a day, man, you're doing good. Any day you win, you're doing better than 90% of the people that traded that day. Most of these guys are full of crap, and most of them will never come on here and trade like this in front of you. They'll sell you some baloney course, but they won't come on here and trade like this. Now, it looks like we're going to push down. Come on, baby, let's go. Time is just 10 o'clock. That's why we got a little volume at 10 o'clock candle. I want to do something here, guys. If you notice, my session bias just switched to bullish. So it might be a good time to get out if you can with profit. I'm going to tell it like it is. I'm holding right now, but I'm just monitoring here. I'm thinking about getting out. If this goes into profit and you want to get out, get out. We're right at our entry now. We were a second ago. I just noticed that the session bias before was mixed, and now it just switched to bullish. Not that I put, every bit of weight on that stupid session bias thing, but it's something to consider. And it is Friday, and we haven't been moving really, so. Plug in here. What's our number one goal here, guys? Is to protect our capital, right? Keep that in mind. It's not to do what I want or do what even what you want. Your goal is to protect your capital. Make some money, protect your capital. Come on, push down. You can see why we entered here. It is a support zone. There's definitely a support here. See if we can break through it and turn it into a resistance. We're right at break even now, guys. We were a second ago. All right, we're at our entry. Come on, man. Push down, girl. I don't think it wants to push down, man. You got to believe, man. Every candle is a new chapter in the book, man. That's why the situation is always fluid. Come on, Gold. Push down now. Let's go. Stop messing around, man. Give me a hard time today, huh, guys? Does not want to do what it's told today, man. I don't like it. Oops, I wasn't paying attention. Yeah, looks like we're coming up for our entry here. My guys, it's getting late. So I'm gonna have to get out of here soon. Here's the plan, guys. If it rings this bell, I'm gonna take a sell. I got an alert set there. See here. So if it sweeps this zone, I'm entering a sell. That'll be about 190 pips, that trade. If that happens, I'll close both once this one goes in profit. And we'll have a great weekend. I got to get out of here soon. I'm going to hang out a few minutes here and see what happens, but people are buying Sosana now. All right, guys, looks like it's going to sweep. Let's see what happens here. Come on, baby. Sweet. All right, guys, I'm getting ready to sell. My finger's on the trigger. Come on, ring the bell. I didn't do it yet. I want to wait for that alarm to ring. Come on, baby. Ring that bell. Let's go. You're almost there. You almost had it. Damn, it still didn't ring it. It's crazy, man. It's messing with us, man. All right, guys, I got to sign off, man. I got to go. Anyway, guys, as soon as this, I'll be entering the trade right here, the sell. All right, guys, and I'll be exiting right here. All right, so that's the plan, guys. Have a great weekend, guys. On purpose. I will see you guys Monday. Have a good time at church, guys. God bless you guys, man. And I'll see you Monday. Shout out to you, hot girl. Cheers, guys. See you Monday, man. God bless.